Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 network disconnect error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go to your browser and write down Diablo 4 server status and go to down detector, and you will see Diablo outages reported. If there's a lot of outages, then it means it's their problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. Now, if that is not the issue, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. This might fix the issue. If not, then once you will open up your computer, you want to open up battle.net and you want to go on Diablo. And here you will see a gear icon options. So you want to click scan and repair. Begin the scan. And this will basically identify any missing or corrupt files. Maybe that was the issue. If that wasn't an issue, you want to check your internet connection. So you can go to speed.com, I believe, speed test. And you go here. And you're going to check your internet connection. Now, if that didn't fix the issue and your internet is quite good, then you want to open up a Windows Defender firewall. Once you are here, you want to make sure that Windows Defender firewall is turned on. As you can see, you can turn it off for temporarily, basically, and see if that fixes the problem. If not, just turn it back on instantly. Now, another thing would be to go to your control panel and check your internet and change the DNS settings. So you want to go to your network and internet, just like so, and right here on network and sharing center. From here, you want to change adapter settings. And on network connections, you're going to choose your internet, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And go to properties. After that, you want to find Internet Protocol version for IPv4, double click on it, and use the following DNS server addresses. And you want to change it to Google, so 8888 and 8844. Then you're going to click OK and OK and turn everything off and check if the problem persists. If the problem still persists, you want to reset your internet DNS settings. So you want to open up command prompt and run it as administrator. Once you will open it up, you want to go ahead and write down two. One would be ipconfig space / flush DNS. And another one would be nesh winsock reset. And after that, you will need to restart your computer. And that should fix your connection problem. And if not, you will also want to go ahead and check your drivers. So that would be on device manager. And here you will find your network adapters and you want to go ahead and update them just like so. So if this video helped you in any way, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.